is going on YouTube? So today we're gonna do the Resonator delete on my Golf R. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step on how I'm gonna do it, and I got a couple little things that are gonna be happening to the car. So stay tuned. Let's get this started. Alright, I don't know how much you're gonna get from this angle, but this is what we're deleting. We're gonna measure from this hanger all the way over there, or from that access point, that connect, sorry. It's around about here with the new piping. So what I'm gonna do is mark off using a Sharpie. Right now I'm not all the way underneath the car. I'm just trying to show you guys real quick, because I don't know how good it's gonna film. So yes, we're gonna mark all this off right now. So from here, we are going to get my line marked out. It's 213 mil bolts right there. And then my line where I'm gonna cut. Sorry if you guys can't see that. Alright, let's do this. Okay guys, so taking off the clamp, 213 mils, you need a deep socket. There is the option of, where is it? Taking this off. I don't know if you guys see it. It's the hanger. It's kind of easier to pull the hanger off and pull it all down instead of trying to take that rubber gasket off. Hope you guys can see it. It's literally right here, and it's down up there. But before you do that, make sure you do your marking, make sure it's all measured up. Measure twice, cut once. Alright, get your starting line. So you guys, that was hard. Alright, now it's just that hanger left. Now what kind of car guy would I be if I didn't do just the pipe by itself? No res, no muffler. I don't like that. So, it's way too loud for the neighborhood I live in. Like, the little pops and bangs sound good, but it just sounds too rice for me. Alright, on to the next. Let's get the hanger back on, and we'll put that delete in. Alright, so we're going to put the hanger back in. Just finger tight. I'm not doing anything too crazy. There. Like this. at a time. That's a little tight. Then we come down to down here. I don't want to loosen it, want to tighten it. Start finger tight on each side. Slowly tighten down. Go on both sides. Just keep going back and forth. It's nice and tight. Every time you tighten one side, the other side gets a little looser. So just keep going back and forth. Now, I just stabbed myself in the head with a rock. Maybe that's what you want to do. You clutch on your own. This shit sucks. This shit hurts. P-Rock shit ain't no joke. Alright, and just like that, everything's said and done. Tight down, tight down, tight down. Alright, let's do a little sound clip. Alright guys, so the Resonator Delete is installed. I'm going to give you my initial review, drive around, see if I can get some sound clips. Alright, I've been on the road for a few minutes now. There's no drone in the car, which is awesome. That's what I was like hoping didn't happen. I am hearing my Burble a lot more. For everybody that doesn't know, I am now a stage 1 with EQT. I got rid of the high boost from Cobb, but yes, I'm EQT stage 1 with Burble and both modes with the launch control. The Burble on the stage 1 sounds good. If anybody's looking to get into that, I highly suggest it. It doesn't sound bad. You don't need a stage 2 to get the Burble. The little pops and bangs. I'm trying to see if I could get any in-car audio of what it sounds like, but as you can hear, sounds stock. Pretty much is stock. Yeah, I don't even think you guys could hear that. So I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna put you on the cam out back. Get that cam rolling for you guys so you can hear what I hear. Alright guys, so the tools you're going to need are a socket wrench, a 13 mil, and an extension. I would say a 4-inch extension. Then if you're going with the CTS, you're going to need a 15 mil and an extension. Alright, thanks for joining.